Well, this particular app is not meant to be too sophisticated. So here, the primary purpose is to have a calculator for the two independent population means test, aka the Welch t-test or the Poole t-test. And so what happens here is that when I run this, I get my app, and so here I'm able to specify the two different population means, the two different standard deviations, and the two different sample sizes. And so we have to remember the primary purpose of the two independent population means test. It is to determine if two different population means are the same. So let's just be a little dramatic. Let's say that one group's population mean is 25 and the other one's 20. And let's be really dramatic. Let's see 0.1 and 0.12. And if I were in terms of standard deviations, let's assume them to be different. That's the primary difference between the Poole t-test and the Welch t-test. So when I do this, you should expect a very large test statistic and a very small p-value. As you can see here, large absolute value of the large absolute value, of course, and a small p-value. And so what this is indicating that is that you should reject your null hypothesis. You have a lot of evidence to reject it. But let's be even more dramatic on the other side. Let's say we have a lot of variability within our samples. Let's say it's about 25. Okay. 27, for example. Okay, we should expect our test statistic to be small, less than 3, and our p-value to be large, greater than 0.1, 0.33, and negative 0.9897. So a little fun fact is that I didn't see this in grad school or undergrad, but if you let the sample size be equal for both of the groups, and you implement a Welch, let's say a Poole t-test, you're going to get the same exact test statistic. If you would like, you can put the proof underneath this video. I would love to see it. I worked it out and it definitely matches. So I was really excited when I saw that. So when the sample sizes are the same for both groups, you will see that the Welch test gives you the same test statistic. However, when they're different, they're not going to give you the same. So when I do this again, exactly. So thank you. Thanks.